You know, Myrtle Beach is really relaxing this time of the year. What do you say, Beatbox?
It's very relaxing.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and today we're going to take you on a drive down Ocean Boulevard, and you might just change your mind and want to come see us for the holidays. Let's check it out. Now, you know, Myrtle Beach, you never know. You might run into a 67 degrees day, and then like today, you might run into a 46. But normally it's nice and sunny and beautiful all year round.
And on this particular journey, we're going to start on the south end and head toward Skywheel. Is that correct?
That is right.
And right in front of you is that new Holiday Inn Vacation Club Resort that looks very, very complete. So I think it used to have a sign that would say April the 7th, 2024, but we'll see. That's only 5 months away now.
And if you look close, they had electricity in there. So that's good. They already have power. There's the Crown Reef. That's
Crown
a
Reef.
nice place to stay.
Yeah. We've stayed there with some family members before.
Normally this time is a good year to get good prices and good deals on
On vacation. And they are renovating a lot of these older places and tearing down some.
Yep.
And they are, what do they call it, revitalizing. Compass Cove, that's pretty good. Didn't we stay there once?
Yeah, we did. Not that one. Like the big one. I think this, I don't know.
That's the Sandcastle.
I think this is the... As you can see, some people have got on their snow hats and gloves, and if you do come down here, you might want to bring those. Don't come unprepared.
Now, I can guarantee you guys love it when we ride through here and it's summertime and you see everybody with boogie boards, swimsuits on.
Yeah.
But
fun.
this time of year, they've got toboggans, coats.
And you still have to wear your sunscreen.
And, yeah, really.
Because it could be 46 degrees in the morning and be like 75 in the afternoon.
It'll crank up sometimes.
You'll see a lot of posts that says Mother Nature's confused.
Oh yeah. Now right up here you see the bridge crossing over, the walkway crossing over the boulevard. That's your landmark with that new water park, that $3 million water park that just opened last summer. And each time we ride by, it seems to be packed with people. But I believe you can only go there
if you're staying at the hotel.
If you're staying at the hotel.
Right. And the kids used to love Landmark.
Heck yeah.
They were there like
They had
5 and 6.
75. What does it say? 17 bodies of water. Yeah.
There's some clothes shopping by and little stores that you can
Right. And here is your tunnel under the boulevard where this gentleman's walking by.
Yeah, from the sea mist. Oh, there looks like they're remodeling the sea mist, doing some
Painting.
repairs to the outside,
Right.
sprucing it up.
The Coral Beach was named Family Beach of the Year, according to their sign just now.
That's good. And you're going to have to stay tuned because we are going to bring you the top 10 motels in Myrtle Beach. And I think you're going to do one for North Myrtle as well, right?
Yeah, motels and hotels.
Motels and hotels.
Yeah, for 2024. So we're starting to work on next week, I do believe.
There's the Loco Deco. That was good.
And I can guarantee you the gondolas are off of the Ferris wheel up here at Family Kingdom. Yep, look at that.
And I just want to let you know that if you do decide to do outdoor dining at some of the restaurants in Myrtle Beach, they do have the fire pit towers so you can stay nice and warm. They also have heaters over your tables, like whenever we were at the Gracious Pig the other day.
Right.
So you will always stay warm no matter what. But I do, still recommend you bring sunscreen and warm clothes.
You think Myrtle Beach might be, so what you're saying is, although Myrtle Beach might seem like a summer town, you can still have fun in the winter.
Yeah, it's not Key West.
It's not Key West, but it's still fun.
But most likely we will not get any snow. So you don't have to bring your shovels.
And apparently they still rent like the scooters and golf carts if you come up here. And there's your sandy beach.
That's nice.
And I think they
2 and 3 bedrooms. Great day. 3 bedrooms.
yeah, they just changed the name of that. That used to be that other one. Our harbor.
I was trying to see if I can. All right, here's some prices. Let's see. Weekly rate is $45 and oceanfront is $55. Or walk-in rate. I'm sorry.
Walk-in.
Walk-in rates. $45.
And $55 oceanfront.
That's not bad. That was at Bar Harbor.
Bar Harbor.
Wow.
I've never stayed there, so I don't know.
Yeah, read the comments.
There's your second. Yeah, always read the comments.
There's the 2nd Avenue Pier, and that's where the lights start and take you all the way down to 8th Avenue.
Yeah, I see them out there.
Yes.
That's the Wonderland of Lights at the beach in Myrtle Beach.
Winter Wonderland. One of them's called Winter
Wonderland, yeah.
And then the Wonderland of Lights is in Mars Inlet.
It's the Wayfarer. And there's your Holiday Sands North. So we just passed the south about a mile back. That's the north. And all along here is the world-famous Boardwalk, which will extend from 2nd Avenue Pier all the way to Pier 14 at 14th Avenue, which is approximately 1.2 miles, which is a nice walk if you're exercising on the beach. Sharkies. And they've got a good view of the ocean. Daddy-O's was back there, right? They
It's
moved
right
up
there.
here. Yeah. If anybody's looking for Daddy-O's, it's up here on 2nd Avenue. It used to be back there with Splashes before they tore Splashes down. Right behind Red Hot Shop.
Oh, Red Hot Shop.
Whatever that is.
I think it's one of those stores that you maybe don't get.
And there's your Sweet Frogs and La Cantina and the 8th Avenue Tiki Bar. They've got great margaritas. And we're coming up on the central hub of the boardwalk here. You'll find Ripley's Believe It or Not, Peach's Corner, the Bowery, and of course, the world-famous Gay Dolphin. There's hardly anybody here, but it is still early, kind of early in the morning, and we usually get out later. We usually don't come early in the morning. We like to get out of our comfort zone so you don't have to. Isn't that right?
Step out.
Oh, step out. There's your sky wheel. And I think we've got that on the docket to do the sky wheel soon, right?
That'd be fun.
We were thinking about going to breakfast this morning, and I'm not sure what we've chosen, but if anybody's looking for a great breakfast place
For brunch, it is Bandito's right over here. It's oceanfront, and it is one of my favorites in Myrtle Beach. And there's also a very good place that your family would love, the Olympic Flame Pancake House.
right?
That is delicious as well. Oh, and there's also Lulu's Cafe.
Right up here's Lulu's, and it's pretty good too. What's going on up here?
Yes.
Oh, I guess they're flashing. Look at that.
I like Lulu's.
Yeah, Lulu's is really good. We just passed the new Legends that just opened last year. Probably this time last year, or was it the summer?
It's this time last year. And then don't forget about Magnolia. Isn't it the Magnolia? Oh, yes.
Yeah, Magnolia on 26.
That was
I don't
good.
think we're going to go that far to this trip, but
I think
we need to do that again. Here's your Lulu's right here.
Yes.
Are they open?
You
Look,
want to pan it to the side?
they're not even open today.
Oh no. I'm
Look.
gonna have to check. Maybe they closed for the season.
They might.
Mhm.
Lulu's Cafe. Oh, closed for the season.
Oh man.
Wow. I'm about to go to Vegas because it sounds like you know the future.
And Bums is good, but I
Bums.
think they open at lunch. So it's like lunch
Newly
and dinner.
heated patio too, so
Good.
that's something to consider.
And this time we're going to try to bring you breakers. I'm not sure if we got it last time on the top 10 hotels, but
Because I think they're way up on the top 10.
Okay.
Was this about it?
There you have it. Hope you enjoyed that drive.
And if you did like this video, make sure you click the thumbs up, show the love and support.
We do need it.
We do need it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want to know anything about Myrtle Beach or the surrounding beaches.
And until next time, keep beaching and hope to see you in the next video.